Hi there, this is Penelope. This is a short video that fits in the series of videos that go under the heading Basic Algebra Skills. What we've got to look at now are not just brackets, but brackets within brackets. So let's have a look at a couple of examples. The first one, we need to do the bit in the inside bracket first. So let's do that. So we leave the 7a minus 4 minus, now b minus 3a we can't actually do, but we can do the next best thing and we can undo this bit as well. So it would be minus 5b, then negative 5, because it's negative 5 times negative 3a would be plus 3a times 5, which we'll write as plus 15a. So that's the square bracket. It's still got the round bracket round it. Okay, let's get rid of the square brackets now. So now we've got a minus. Now this is negative 4. And then really it's negative 1. Negative 1 times. So it's negative 1 times 4 is negative 4. Negative 1 times negative 5b is plus 5b. And then negative 1 times positive 15a is minus 15a. All we've got to do now is, maybe, before we do that, maybe we've got to do some tidying because we've got an a term at the beginning and an a term at the end. So we leave the 7 and now we've got a minus 15a, which is, write it down every step, minus 4 plus 5b. All right, tidy that up in the bracket. A minus 15a will give you negative 14a minus 4 plus 5b. And now we can deal with the 7. 7 times negative 14 is negative 98a. 7 times negative 4 is negative 28. And 7 times 5 is plus 35b. Next one's pretty much the same way. So we leave the beginning part. And we will deal with the first set of brackets. We've got negative 2 times x, so that would be minus 2x. And then we've got negative 2 times negative y, which means plus 2y. Okay, we made a bit of progress. Now we need to do the 3 times everything in there. So it would be plus 3 times 5, which is 15, minus 3 times 2x, which would be minus 6x, plus 3 times 2y, which would be plus 6y. Okay, now we need to tidy up that rounded bracket. So 2x minus 6x is negative 4x, plus 6y, plus 15. I can just tidy the order up, it doesn't matter. And now I'm finished, because now I can say negative 4x times 4 is negative 16x. Plus 4 times 6y would be 24y, plus 4 times 15 would be 60. Probably for this one here, it might have been neater and tidier to write negative 98a plus 35b minus 28, just to be totally pedantic.